Good morning, guys. So I've actually been up since about 7 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. I'm about to pack because I have a client today that I actually have to go on set for. I'm doing a photo shoot. Well, makeup for someone who's doing a photo shoot. And we're going to pack my kit together. I like to get ready early. It's not till 1, but I like to get ready early because I'm actually going to go to the gym this morning before I hit it. I like to do 3 miles of walking at least 3 to 4 times a week. And then, I got my Pilates as well. That's how I keep slimming down. So let's pack. So the first thing I like to pack is the foundations. What I always like to do is take my darkest color, my lightest color, and something in between. And then I like to take my All Hours your St. Laurent sample bottles as well because they're small enough to pack. And you always want to have colors for everyone. I already know the complexion of the girls, but from my experience, you may get on set and someone may say, "Can you do my makeup?" And you're gonna lose out on some money because you didn't bring no extra colors. So that's the first thing we're doing. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna pack is our setting powders and our finishing powders. So I got some Urban Decay here. I got some one sides. I got some matte. And I like to bring multiple colors because I use a lot of my powders to highlight and contour, to set, to finish. So you wanna make sure you have plenty of powders. So you can't forget the primer. So I got me some Milk Grip primer. Actually, this went viral like last year on TikTok, called Touch Makeup, and it's supposed to help if you have like really oily skin in certain spots, and you can actually put it on after you apply your makeup. So I thought that was really cool. It's an anti-shine, so if you get the shine in like throughout the day, you could just pop some of this on. So I thought that was cool. Some Milk Grip primer, we know that's the best. We got some finishing Urban Decay spray. One of my favorites is Bear With Me. You can spray it in between and it takes like a lot of the residue of the powder off. And of course, some cleansing water to clean the face off good. So let's put that in here as well. Next up, we can't forget about our concealer. So I have some of my cream concealers with MAC. I have some of my liquid ones. This is supposed to be the #1 concealer, which is Tarte. I got some Makeup on Mario, and I got some Juvia's Place, all my favorite concealers. So let's put that in there. And as you can see, I don't use any cheap products on my clients. So when y'all be asking why the price be the price, baby, the price be the price. Like this little concealer, y'all, was $35. It was $35 or $37. I was like, do I really want it that bad? But, I like for you guys to look good. So one thing I know nobody play about is them lashes. So I always make sure I bring a variety of different lashes to each set or each client that I go to, just so they can choose, different styles, and lash glue, of course, as well. So we got all the options that we can have for you to choose from. You also want to bring a variety of different eyeshadow palettes. Like the matte book is really good because it has so many different colors in here. And then a lot of girls are into like a lot of browns and, neutral colors. So, something like this would be really well as well. And then I also have a few of the notepads from the crayon case, like the pink ones. They get really messy, but they're so pigmented. They're so good. So you may need to upgrade the look. So I like to bring, the diamonds, all the different types of glitters that you can have, just a variety of different glitters that you can have. Also, glitter pens are good if you want to do something quick. So this right here is just going to help enhance the eye makeup if that's what we're looking for. You also can't forget some of the highlighters. I like to use Fenty Beauty highlighters. I think they are the best highlighters. They're so pigmented. They're so good. My favorite, of course, is Trophy Wife. The gold is amazing. As you can see, I use it a lot. I got the edges now. It's time to get another one. And I got Diamond Balm as well over there. I'm about to pack that one as well. So let's put our highlighters up. You can't forget to pack the lipstick. So we got you St. Laurent. We got some MAC Cosmetic. We got some Fenty Beauty. We got some Kylie Jenner. We got a mixture of everything. And I know a lot of people like nudes, but you don't want to get there. And they're like, actually, I was thinking about a purple lip. I was actually thinking about a pink lip. So I kind of like just, bring a few different colors. Mainly different shades of nudes, but I do like to put some purples, some pinks in there. Even a blue, shoot, they may surprise you and say, well, we're kind of going for this. So you just kind of want to be prepared for anything. You can't forget all the lip pencils. I got some nudes, I got some purples, some reds, some browns, some peachy colors, and of course, the pencil sharpener. Also, you can't forget your tools, like your scissors if you got to cut the lashes, or your tweezers, putting the lashes on, or plucking some hairs off the brows. You just never know. You want to have your And of course, none of this will be possible without some brushes. So I'm just gonna take a few of these brushes out, and this bag actually comes with a space where you can put the brushes at. So I'll just think about, I'll take probably enough for like 2 people, even though I'm only doing one. I'll always take enough for at least 2 people, just because, like I said, you may get there and somebody may say, hey, I want my makeup done. And you don't want to be like, well, I only bring enough brushes for one person. Can't miss out on no money now. So I'm going to make sure I get the brows, some blending brushes, some foundation brushes, some powder brushes. You know, you get it. I just ordered a bunch of these as well. I always see people use these in this area. I got different colors. This one, and I also got it in black as well. So I'm going to try these and see how well these work over my brushes. We'll see. Also, this is really good to have. You basically put your head inside of this and you zipping it up. So if you're trying to put on an outfit and you want to get your makeup on your clothes, this is really good. I got this years ago because I saw this on YouTube. A bride was using this and I was like, that is so clever. It's always some clothes that need to be folded. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get this out the way before I head to the gym, because I know I'm not gonna do it later if I wait. That's why I like doing everything in the morning, because in the evening you're not gonna want to do anything. So I'm about to watch me some TV, fold this up, and then go work out, shower, and then be on my way. So I just folded some clothes and now another load goes in. The only thing a robot can do for me really is do this goddamn laundry, because every time you fold, it's time for another load to go in. This is ridiculous. Who else is tired of washing? I honestly don't even be thinking I wear that many clothes, for real, for real. And then we do a quick wash at 29 minutes. I always thought it had to be 49 minutes. Okay, so now we're about to go to the gym. Got my gym fit on. I actually look like this on purpose when I go to my gym in my complex, because I don't like nobody staring at me. Okay. This is what we're gonna have before the gym. Get the greens, no sugar added. Vegetables. So I'm not gonna eat heavy before the gym. I'm just gonna take a cup of this. And I didn't pour that much, just enough. Ready for the gym. Okay, so I'm gonna keep my sweatshirt on because I like to sweat a little bit. It's actually been about 2.5 weeks since I've been on the treadmill, because I tried Orange Theory and my heart and chest was literally hurting for like 2 weeks straight. So I had to listen to my body and rest. Thank God I did. I didn't push myself. I didn't go to Pilates during that time or anything, and I rest now and I feel better. I've been to Pilates twice now. This is when I usually like to get my reading as well. Today we're going to be reading the 50th law. I only usually read at nighttime before bed, or either in the gym, but mainly in the gym on the treadmill. So since I haven't been here, I stopped midway. So we're going to try to finish this up because I got half of the book left. So the first thing I always do, I go to fat burn. I put my weight in. I put my time in. It usually takes me about an hour just to get 3 miles in, because I go to speed of 3.2. We should start at 3.0 today just to see, you know, because it's been a while. I don't want to just see how this feels. There we go. And remember, guys, they said it doesn't count if you hold on to the rails, so I try not to hold on to the rails anymore. Going to my book. While that's all fat, you know, I like to exercise my brain while I'm exercising my body. And I've been looking extra cute in my outfits lately. Have y'all been seeing me? I'm gonna post some of these outfits below and around, or wherever I post them at, because y'all gotta see how cute I've actually been looking. And it's all because of the gym. Y'all, got caught up so much reading my book, I didn't realize I was over my 3 miles. It's time to get out of here. I gotta hurry and get something to eat, hop in the shower, and hit the road. It's time to go. Bye-bye. So I need to hurry up and eat something, so I'm gonna eat this Chipotle black bean burger. I haven't had it yet, but Timmy has. I'm gonna slice this up with some avocado on it, Probably some banana peppers. I'm really trying to stay away from mayo, y'all. Maybe I just put mustard on it. Trying to help with my. I need a mayo that's gonna be good for my cholesterol. Starving, so I'm gonna have a banana while I wait. Make sure you guys are paying attention to the number 9 instead of the number 4. Those are the organic ones, the ones they don't really mess with. Nice and healthy. I'm making a black bean burger. No sides today. I'm trying to limit my carbs. The thing about being a pescatarian, you pick up on the carbs, the breads, the pastas. I gotta chill. Gotta keep my waist small. I've been liking how I look too much. Okay, so I got some organic mustard and organic ketchup on here. We got some banana peppers. And we got some spring mix. And we're just gonna put that on chitty top. Put that over there. Okay, put that on top. We got us a black bean burger. Bon appetit. Now I gotta eat this in like 5 minutes and hop in the shower. We rushing now. The GPS says I'll be there at 1:11. My appointment is actually at 1. So we gotta put it on the meadow. I'm going all the way out Waldorf, and everybody know that's Disneyland in DC. That shit is far. Decided to come and get me some kava because I'm trying to eat a little more greeny this week and a little bit more on the healthy side, less carbs. Yeah, I know I'm a pescatarian, so I don't get meat in my bowl because they don't got no salmon. I'm back home. I'm about to watch breakfast at Tiffany's. And I'm also about to eat my delicious kava bowl. I got some avocado in there, some goat cheese, some brown rice, some sweet potatoes. This is about to be yummy. But every time I get disturbed right around this scene. So I gotta finish it off when she goes to the party. One of the coolest part about our beds is that it lifts at the foot and it also lifts at the head. So you don't have to worry about having to slouch back while you want to sit up. Because I like to sit up and watch TV and eat in the bed. I love eating in the bed. So you see it's rising. And you can rise the bottom of the bed up too, but I usually just do the top. Daddy's home to stay. Oh, daddy's home. Daddy's home to stay.